Oh, my back. You're a monster. This has no likes. Wow. You are not a poser. I just needed to come here and tell you that because you're actually not. This is 10 reasons that you're not a poser and to know how you're not a poser. And for each reason, I'm gonna try and do a trick just to prove to you that I'm not a poser, but maybe I am a poser. On my Instagram all day, people are saying, Aaron's a poser, Aaron's a poser, and I kind of like it. Okay, so reason number one, you're not a poser, is because you got started on your skateboard at all. Because what is a poser really? Let's really think about it. It's a person who gets a board and they go to the mall and they mall grab and they walk around and they pretend like they're a skateboarder, but they don't actually try. So just the fact that you got a skateboard at all and you're trying makes you not a poser. I also hate this culture that a new person gets started into skateboarding and we have to call them names that are degrading, like poser, which is a degrade. So let's just cancel that from skateboard culture, period. Okay, first trick. Call it out for me, Chloe.
Ollie.
An ollie. Thanks for starting it easy. Oh, my back, my neck, my back. That's a bad song. Okay, that's reason number one you're not a poser. It's because you got out there and you tried. This skateboard does not care who you are, where you came from, what your background is, what language you speak, what religion you are. It just cares that you got out there and you tried. That's skateboarding, and it's amazing. Reason number two, you're not afraid to fall. If you were afraid to fall, you'd be a poser. Because why? Because you're afraid to fall. But you know, even if you're afraid to fall, you're still not a poser if you're trying at all. Okay, give me the next trick, Chloe.
Pop shove it.
Pop shove it? You're a monster. Inhumane. Wow, I actually almost died on that. Almost bailed into the abyss of Poserville. We need to make a shirt that just says poser, just in white letters. That's all it is, poser. And we need to start a movement of all the posers that are gonna rise up against the poser oppression within the skateboard industry. Leave it in the comments below if you'll join the movement. Reason number three, you keep showing up. It doesn't matter. You get out there, you grab your board, you go and skate. And that is something special, and that makes you incredible, and that makes you not a freaking poser. Okay, give me the next trick, Chloe.
Do a kickflip.
Do a kickflip. Do a kickflip. Should we take over this series? There used to be this series on the barracks where people would drive around and they'd yell at random strangers, do a kickflip. And then if they did a kickflip, they would give them a board. Should we just take over this series?
Well, I just don't want people to feel bad if they can't land it.
We also don't want people to feel bad if you got poser. Kickflip. Oh my God! That's it, I quit.
Do you need to warm up?
No, I don't need to warm up, thank you. I'm only 41. You know why I didn't land that?
Why?
Because this was in my pocket.
Oh.
Literally. Now I'm gonna kickflip over the phone. Woo! Woo! Okay, that was the most epic kickflip of my whole existence. Reason number four, and one of my favorite reasons thus far, you skate for the love. I feel like this is so important. You know, sometimes I see kids posting a trick of themselves and it's like, this has no likes. And it's like all this like hate in the comments, or like, why would you even post this? This sucks so bad. Do you know why the kid posts it? Do you know why I still post? Because I love skateboarding. That's why. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to do this for you to get through your head. I just like this. I think it's fun. And my favorite trick, which I just did the last time, was the kickflip. And I could just ride around and do kickflips for the rest of my life. Ollies too, ollies and kickflips, and that's it. And I would be totally fine. I don't have to learn the newest trick, I don't have to be the best skateboarder. In fact, the whole point of Braille skateboarding is that you're not the best skater. It's the point is that you're having fun riding your skateboard, that's it. So the fact that you do it for the love makes you even more of a skater than the absolute best skater there is out there. I don't care how good your tray flip is. I don't care how big the handrail is. If you're not doing it for the love, maybe you're a poser. Okay, next trick.
Tray flip.
Tray flip, okay. If I don't land this tray flip, and I am gonna leave my phone in my pocket, which makes it really, really hard. If I don't land this tray flip, I'm giving up. Okay, this right here is for Jimmy Sundays. If you know, you know. No! You know how I knew that was gonna happen?
Your phone in your pocket?
No, because I got nervous. Posers don't get nervous. Or wait, posers get nervous. No, wait, I don't know. Because I needed to go this way. There's something weird, because this way, look, this way, my shadow is on the board, and I can't see it. But now this way, which is a butt shot, which is not what we want, no shadow. All right, well, that was just proof that I am a poser. The world's worst professional skateboarder. Okay, that was the worst tray flip I've ever done in existence. Okay, I let it. Number 5, you respect the process. Look, skateboarding is hard. If you're gonna get good at this thing, it is gonna require pure dedication, pure heart. It is gonna require you pushing through blood, sweat, and sometimes tears, because this thing is going to break you. Nothing is gonna break you like this skateboard will. So for you to actually get good, you are gonna have to respect the process. And if you respect the process and you go, I'm gonna skate every day, I'm gonna get a little bit better, and I'm just gonna keep going and improving and improving and improving. What is life if you're not just working to improve yourself? It's also very personal. It's for you. This is for you. You don't have some coach out there making you run laps and do push-ups. This is for you. Okay, you're not a poser, remember. Give me the next trick.
Casper flip.
Casper flip? You're kidding, right? Casper flip. But I'm gonna do like an actual Casper, like old school style. Dang it, I'm a poser. Dang it, I'm a poser 3. Let's run this like ludicrous. Dang it, Chloe.
Aaron.
Okay, I know what it is. It's the sun. That's it. Now you've done pissed me off. Chloe! I realized that she just doesn't know that many tricks, so she's like, what's a trick? Any trick, Casper.
You caught me.
Hold this phone for me. Watch this, watch. It's just the fact that there's that little thing in your pocket, and when you jump, the pants jump because they're big, and the phone comes and it hits you, and then you're like, why is the phone hitting me? It's like, oh, it's in my pocket. Number 6, you respect other skaters. I feel like this is really, really, really important and very obvious, especially as a beginner. So if you're just getting started, don't go and talk a bunch of smack about other skaters. And if you're a beginner and you're just learning, just don't do that. Just don't go out and say, oh, this sucks, that sucks. Everybody can have an opinion, your opinion's totally fine, but you might not be super welcomed. Whenever I see somebody talking so much smack, I go look at their page and it's never like a good skater. You know what I mean? Because a really good skater went through this huge process and they respected the process and they know what it took to get there. And then they'll respect somebody else, especially somebody else who's trying to help somebody else learn and grow from the perspective and the learning that they went through. So get out there and help other people. Okay, give me a trick. I'm thinking of a trick in my head. If you can tell me what it is.
Heel flip.
I knew it! Good job, that was a pass. I was thinking of a heel flip, which is my worst trick ever. So if I land this, I'm very proud of myself. First try, what do I get?
Coffee.
A coffee? All right, I'll take a coffee. Wait, the sun. You're not supposed to film from behind because it's the butt, but I don't care. Woo!
Coffee.
You owe me a coffee. It was supposed to be Jamba Juice, but I know you're new here. You've only been the longest running employee in Braille history. Number 7, you push through fear. Skateboarding is scary, and there are gonna be times and days when it is really scary. This is what I see the most, is people are learning how to skate and they go like this, oh, I can kickflip, and their foot is going straight to the ground every time because they're scared. And then at some point, they're gonna have to push through the fear and stop going like that. Well, first of all, that flick is totally incorrect. It needs to flick up, but hey, I'm an eternal teacher. So you gotta do that, but at some time, you're gonna have to put both feet above the board and land. Okay, give me the trick, Chloe. I might need to help you with this one. We're so many tricks in.
Front side 180.
Front side 180, that's a good one.
Thank
I was
you.
thinking varial flip, but you could use that next. Front side 180. Get over your fear. I mean, skateboarding teaches you good lessons about yourself, about skateboarding itself, about the community. Respect, love, and learn your frontside 180s. Number 8, you're part of something bigger. If you understand that it's not just about you, but what you put into skateboarding is part of something bigger. My life in skateboarding completely changed when I changed from I'm just gonna be the absolute best that I can be. I'm gonna learn every trick. I'm gonna get everything down for myself personally. I'm just gonna do everything in every trick, to change it to I'm gonna teach everyone else to do every trick that I've ever learned. It totally changed. And I realized, yeah, we're part of this like global wide, worldwide movement where we just need to foster new people to get started and focus on getting skateboarding everywhere. And that'll grow skateboarding. And that's what a true skateboard spirit is, for the love. Okay, give me a trick.
Dolphin flip.
No, I cannot do a dolphin flip. There's one trick I've never done. I've never.
Okay, a big spin, big spin.
A big spin, okay, I like it. I'm putting the phone down because big spin's dangerous. Could get me. Wow!
Whoa!
That was a good big spin.
So good.
Dang, it's as if I've been doing that for, what's 41 minus 12?
29.
It's as if I've been doing them for 29 years. Leave it in the comments below if 29 years is longer than you've been with us. Number 9, and one of my favorite ones ever, you are writing your own story. Skateboarding isn't about following everybody else. It's not about following all the trends. It's not about knowing the trends. It's about grabbing a board and doing whatever the beep you want to do. Skateboarding is creative. It's fun. And if you just go out there and have fun and learn how to skate, you'll have a blast. This is why I like to focus on teaching a beginner all of the core fundamentals, because they can take those basics and put it wherever else they want. Okay, give me a good trick.
A varial flip.
Varial flip, good call. Okay, let's varial flip it out. All right, hold this phone. Woo! First try, varial flip. Take the first one. No, I need to do it again. You never end your session on a lose. I landed the first one, missed the second one, do it again. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Varial flip for the win. Chloe, what's it say on my shirt?
Never give up.
Number 10, and my most favorite one, you never gave up. It didn't matter what somebody said. It didn't matter that you posted that Instagram and somebody said, you're a poser, you suck. You didn't give up. Just like anything in life, there's no such thing as failure. There's only your lack of persistence when you gave up. You need to take that into skateboarding and into your whole life. Just don't give up. Okay, this is the final one. This is number 10, so give me something good.
Okay.
Tray flip revert, you said?
Yes.
That was brutally mean. What do I get for first try?
Jamba Juice.
Okay, so if I land this, you owe me a coffee and a Jamba Juice.
Yes.
What we should do is get a coffee and a Jamba Juice and mix them together and then eat it.
Gross.
Yeah, gross indeed. Okay, tray revert, first try. No! You ever just want to scream profanities?
Nope.
That makes one of us. Was that a tray revert?
As far as I know, yeah.
It was kinda, but it was more like a varial flip weirdness. Give me a real tray revert. I'll take that.
Was that it?
Yeah, I'll take it, I'll take it.
Good.
You are not a poser. You're a beginning skater. It does not matter how old you are, what your skill level is, where you came from, none of it matters. Go ride a skateboard and have fun. Skateboarding is for you. It's your own personal journey. Get out there and share it with others. We'll see you in the next video.